The rich have been keeping secrets that could change your financial future forever. Today, I'm revealing the best personal finance hacks the wealthy don't want you to know. These are tried and tested strategies used by millionaires and billionaires to grow wealth while the average person struggles paycheck to paycheck. If you're serious about building wealth, stay until the end because the last hack is the most powerful. Let's get started. Hack Hash 1, the wealth mindset shift. This is the biggest secret. Wealth starts in the mind. Rich people think differently about money. They see money as a tool for growth, not just something to earn and spend. They don't save just to save, they save to invest and create passive income. While most people focus on cutting costs, the wealthy focus on expanding income sources. Adopt the mindset of an investor, not just a worker. Hack Hash 2, invest like the rich. The wealthy don't just save their money in a bank where it loses value to inflation. Instead, they invest strategically. And here's how you can too. Index funds and ETFs, low-risk long-term growth without stock-picking stress. Real estate passive income and appreciation over time. Businesses, either owning one or investing in startups for equity. Tax-advantaged accounts. Max out your 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA for compounding growth. By consistently investing, you let your money work for you, instead of you working for money. Hack Hash 3, pay less taxes legally. Here's something the rich never talk about. They don't pay nearly as much in taxes as the average person. Why? They know how to legally reduce taxable income. Here are some strategies. Start a business. Business owners get tax deductions on expenses like travel, meals, and even home offices. Use depreciation. Real estate investors can write off property depreciation to lower tax liability. Invest in tax-free accounts. Roth IRAs grow tax-free. And municipal bonds can provide tax-free income. Leverage capital gains. Tax rules. Holding investments long-term reduces the tax rate significantly. Use these tax-saving techniques to keep more of your money and build wealth faster. Hack Hash 4, leverage debt wisely. Rich people don't fear debt, they leverage it to make more money. Here's how. Good debt versus bad debt. They use low-interest loans for investments, not consumption. Credit cards for points and perks. Instead of avoiding credit, they maximize rewards, travel hacks, and cashback while paying balances in full. Using other people's money, OPM, they finance real estate deals and businesses using bank loans, investors, or partners. The key? Debt should make you money, not cost you money. Hack Hash 5, multiple streams of income. Millionaires never rely on just one income source. The average millionaire has at least 7. Here are some ways you can start building passive income. Invest in dividend stocks that pay you regularly. Create an online course or digital product that sells while you sleep. Start an affiliate marketing blog or YouTube channel. Rent out real estate or list on Airbnb. Automate e-commerce businesses like dropshipping or print on demand. More income streams mean more security, freedom, and long-term wealth. Hack Hash 6, the secret wealth networking formula. Now here's the final and most powerful hack. Networking with the wealthy. They say, your net worth is your network. Join high-value groups, conferences, masterminds, and mentorship programs. Seek mentors who've built real wealth. Provide value first. Help others before asking for help. Surround yourself with people smarter than you. By being in the right circles, you gain insider knowledge, exclusive opportunities, and the right mindset for massive financial success. There you have it. The best personal finance hacks the rich don't want you to know. Which hack surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs financial freedom. More game-changing content is coming soon. See you in the next video.